Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Chrysler 300 Uconnect. First, you'll need to check your current software version directly from your vehicle's Uconnect system settings. Then, visit the official Uconnect website to find and download the latest update file. Make sure to select the correct file that matches your specific Chrysler 300 model. This initial step is crucial for a successful and seamless update process. Before heading to your car, prepare a USB drive. It must be formatted to the FAT32 file system and have at least 4 GB of available space. Once formatted, carefully copy the downloaded Uconnect update file directly onto the root directory of this USB drive. Do not place it inside any folders. This crucial preparation ensures your vehicle can properly read the update. Now, go to your Chrysler 300. Start the engine to ensure continuous power during the update. Insert the prepared USB drive into one of your vehicle's USB ports. The Uconnect system should automatically detect the update file. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to begin the installation process. Do not turn off the engine or remove the USB drive until instructed. After the installation is complete, the Uconnect system will likely restart. Allow it to power cycle completely. Once it's back up, navigate to your system settings to verify that the new software version has been successfully installed. This confirms your update is finished and ready to enjoy. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.